Meet Bankful Embedded Checkout, a seamless, embedded payment experience that gives your customers more ways to pay. It lives right inside your store's checkout. No redirects, no pop-ups, just a clean flow your customers already know how to use. Paying by card is effortless. Customers enter their details, paving the way for even faster checkout next time. And when they return, Bankful remembers. A quick, secure code unlocks their saved cards instantly. ACH is built right into the same experience, giving customers a simpler way to pay directly from their bank. Cards, wallets, and ACH, all in one seamless, embedded experience. This is Checkout, powered by Bankful. See it in action today.